Hello, dear students. Those who appeared in HSLC 2026 and passed, they need to take admission in class 11th. So, class 11th admission process is different in Assam. If you want to take admission in Assam board like AHSLC, currently ASSEV Division 2, then you must registration and submit your application form for the admission through DARPAN portal. And I have just checked the DARPAN portal and took a screenshot. I will share through this video. It shows clearly that from 12 April, DARPAN portal will be open for the student to register online. And you, through the application process, you can select mainly maximum 5 schools or colleges. And later on, the schools release merit list based on your HSLC marks. Students' HSLC marks will be the main medium through which they will make the merit list. And later on, merit lists will be released by the schools, and accordingly you can take admission at your respective schools or colleges. A few cases may be different. Some of the schools or colleges, their rules are a little bit different, like they can take sport admission, and the rest, after applying online, you must contact your respective schools. Maybe they will release the offline sheet or online sheet. Of course, not all the schools has the online browser. Currently, probably they have, but I know many schools, they don't have online browser website. So after applying online, you must contact your schools or institutions, colleges for the next process. And if you are selected in that merit list, then you can take admission by paying the required admission fees at the school. So if you need help, kindly you can contact me. My phone number is 7099973597. Otherwise, you can catch me online also over Instagram, Shining Ruby. And also, you can catch me offline at my office, Kalasra Bazar, at Shining Computer and IT Institute for helping only. I can help you over a registration process and form fill-up process or any other. If you are confused in which streams you want to choose and what subjects you would take, and which medium, Bengali, Hindi, English, which medium you need to choose, then for that I will create another video tonight. Thank you.